Greetings, I am Michael, Archangel of Peace, Warrior of Love, Bringer of News. Welcome. Welcome, my beloved brothers and sisters of peace. Because the answer to so many of your queries of what do you want, what do I want, what do we want, is peace. Oh yes, I could term it joy or love or laughter. But peace is the sense of rightness, of tranquility, of surrender, of serenity, and the knowingness of belonging, not merely of alignment, which is a given, but of truly belonging, of unity, and belonging to yourself, belonging to your soul and your soul mission and your own sweet, human, quirky self. Unique as every blade of grass, every grain of sand, in the divine perfection of our Mother's creation. The Mother only creates perfection. And in that perfection, for you and for me, she has designed and given us the birthright, the existence right of discovering and living not merely your sacred purpose and mission, but what your heart desires. And what I dare to say this day and every day is what your heart desires individually and collectively, and most certainly for Gaia and for all Gaians, is peace. Yes, of course, the absence of conflict, that is definitely a starting point and a finishing point for that matter. But it is so necessary that this sense of tranquility, yes, of spaciousness, and of choice is not merely available to you, that it is part and parcel of your being, of your everyday being, of the choice of whether to have coffee, tea, milk, or juice for breakfast, and whether you shall create world peace. When I have begun my journey, the Mother did not say to me, you have a choice. Your heart's desire can be either to be an artist and a musician or to be the Prince of Peace. No. My choice and your choice, my beloved friends, was to have it all. To paint the skies and to paint the heart. To work on her behalf and my behalf and your behalf. To create that sense of knowing this existence of peace. Never has it been more important in this ascending time that each and every being has this gift and this essential ingredient, element of peace. To be at peace with your choices, your decisions, your desires. Not to be in a sense of conflict or struggle, internal or external. There is no room for it. And if it is creating harshness, if it is creating that sense of unease, and God forbid conflict within you, then back away. Redirect. Because it does not lead to love or joy or peace. When you are examining, when you are exploring, and I invite you to do so, what your heart desires, think of it in this way. What would give me such a deep sense of peace? Such a sense of empowerment and an overflowing abundance of rightness, that I would be overjoyed to proceed. Not in angst, quite correct. Not in neediness, but in the sweetness of opportunity. A sweetness of opportunity that is being offered on a golden platter to humanity. Now is the time, not some distant date in a distant future, and most certainly not in your past. Yes, all time is fluid, but claim your now. Claim your peace. And if you do not know how, turn to me and simply say, Michael, Michael, brother, fill me with peace so that I know what it feels like, and then I can proceed from there. And I will do so, and I do so right now. Give me a moment. My peace I give you. Share it. Grow it. Claim it. Go with my love. And beloveds, go in peace. Farewell.